One, two, three. Introduction.
This peace rally has been organized by Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights and Kuki Women Union under the theme of truth, justice and accountability. Today this rally has been organized because of two main reasons. One is regarding the former CM N. Biren Singh audio tape case, and the second one is an armed attack against the Kuki-Zo villages, which is in Mulam and Songkhal villages.
Can you tell me something about the protest?
The protest,
the process
location.
of the location. Where did you start? And then
Well, the protest had started off from a location of Koite ground and marching from the Koite ground towards the Wall of Remembrance. Many women, youths, men, section of the Kuki-Zo community had participated in this peace rally today.
Start.
And this peace rally is not only held in the district of Charasanpur, but other inhabited of Kuki-Zo areas like Tengnopal, Chandil and Kangkupi district. Exactly today, the peace rally has been held in all those parts of the districts in Manipur. And in today's rally, we also demand a few points from the central government. That is, to direct a time-bound investigation into the N. Biren Singh audio case, which is under the Honorable Supreme Court. And we also want the Supreme Court to entrust to an independent agency, which is CBI, and then forward it to the Supreme Court so that there would be a time-bound investigation as well as we get the result out of it within a fixed time. And secondly, we also requested to ensure swift criminal prosecution of all people who had participated, irrespective of their positions or political affiliations, who are found to have abetted, conspired in finance and also into this ethnic conflicts which has been unleashed in the year 2023, May 3rd May. And also we have also asked to direct a National Investigation Agency (NIA) to take up the investigation on the armed attack of Mulam and Songkhal villages, which was on the 24th of April 2026. Identify the perpetrator and the chain of command and bring them to justice without delay. And we also demand that the central government must sanction immediate ex gratia reliefs and rehabilitation to the victims of those families who were killed, and to the injured, and to those whose homes have been destroyed in Mulam and Songkhal villages. And we also ask the central government to augment the deployment of central armed police forces in the foothill of Kuki-Zo inhabited areas and buffer areas of the Kuki-Zo districts of Charasanpur, Chandil, Kangkupi and Tengnopal. And we also demand to initiate a structural political dialogue with the legitimate representative of the Kuki-Zo people, including Kuki Infantry Manipur, Kuki-Zo Council and the elected MLAs, to deliver a durable political solutions to secure the life of the people, land, identities and constitutional rights of our Kuki-Zo community. Those are a few demands which I would like to highlight today.